Remember this as a time when a person got in the boat and they invited everybody else to get in the boat, and we all got in this boat and we started to paddle to the other side and make this better for everybody. That's what I want folks to remember. That's it. I don't have anything else.
We have left the shore, and I think we're headed in a good direction.
So, baby. My man.
You're exposed to the weather. You're sleeping possibly in a tent.
You promised me you were going to do that, but
it was incredible to be invited down here to the Southeast, particularly a region where I think lots of LGBTQ folks don't feel safe or welcomed, and to be so welcomed by Chuck and the team at Great Outdoors Provisions Company. We got to go for a bike ride, got to be part of this panel and have a really powerful discussion on not just inclusion, but what it means to be really, truly welcomed and invited into the outdoors.
I'm not going to be afraid to be myself. I have won a whole camping outfit.
I'm so happy for you.
I got to go camping.
This whole process has been a way to start conversations, let people aware that there's other user groups that want to use the outdoors.
Where you coming on the regular unless you got some deep pockets.
We had to get off our bike, pull the bike across, get back on the bike, go from there. And the conversation started, and I'm excited about everything we've heard and had talked over the past couple of days, because it gives me a lot of hope that there's going to be a lot of progress and getting more unity and inclusivity in outdoor activities.
It means treat everyone everywhere equally.
Certain days of the week you go to the left, and then if you're...
I am so excited to be here at the You Belong Outside event with Great Outdoor Provision Co. It has just been so phenomenal to engage with the community, tell my story, and really share this incredible life of being outside. So anything that I can do to help get more people engaged in the outdoors, taking up space and finding joy, I'm here for it.
I've enjoyed my time here at You Belong Outside. We had an amazing panel. Now we're going to have an amazing hike out here with a lot of folks, different genders, race, and ages, and that to me is what You Belong Outside means. Get out and enjoy the outdoors, and not only that, bring a friend with you. I met some amazing folks here, not only just in the panel, but just in discussion, and diverse mindset, diverse discussions, thought processes is what's going to make the outdoors more amazing than it already is. Folks, you belong outside. Trust me. Woo.